So being as a software developer, I develop number of products in-house to facilitate my customers and clients regarding their finance, accounts, HR, and number of functionalities inside their organization. And when after the development of these products, when I provide setup to my customers and clients as well, so when they started the deployment of these products, so their endpoint protection applications generated some kind of error messages that these applications are not legitimate, and we consider that these applications are malware. So they just called me and said that you are not providing the legitimate applications because our endpoint protection consider all these applications as a malware. So that is the biggest problem, because I know that these are the legitimate products I develop in-house and all products are completely secure, but why these endpoint protection might be Sophos, ESET, Kaspersky and other endpoint protection consider these in-house developed products as a non-legitimate or as a malware products. So let's move and resolve this issue for any kind of in-house developed products. Hello and welcome to all of you on my productive and industry oriented training platform. So we are going to resolve issue which we are currently facing in our organization. Basically, I have number of products in-house developed, and I know that these are the legitimate products, but unfortunately when we are trying to implement in our client premises, so their endpoint protection applications considering all these applications as a malware. So the important thing is that we are missing some kind of recommended security practices during the implementation or during the development of all these products. Consider that if we are going to implement web services in our own organization, so we must follow some recommended security best practices to protect our web applications. And regarding the security, we know that we have to implement SSL certificates to properly secure our web applications and totally disconnect all kind of HTTP traffic and only allow HTTPS traffic to our web services. And although there are a number of other security options available which we can consider for securing our web services. So in the same scenario, when we are going to develop any kind of in-house applications, so we need to secure all these applications with proper manner. Otherwise, if any intruder or any hacker access these applications, so they can easily penetrate their own spy code, or they can easily penetrate or insert their malware in our in-house developed applications. So whenever our end user or our customer installed our in-house developed application, so the hacker or intruder malware or spy easily installed on our customer sites as well. So in this situation, the topmost recommended security practice is to implement code signing certificates for our in-house developed application with extended validation. So it's a kind of a certificate which completely protect our in-house developed applications. And the most important thing is that whenever we integrate these code signing certificates with our in-house developed application, so all kinds of endpoint application will consider our in-house application as a legitimate application, because in this situation the hacker, the intruder will never be able to insert any kind of spy code or their malware in our products or in our applications as well. So the recommended setting is that you need to implement code signing certificates with extended validation. In this scenario, the CSR will consider the same manner which we generally produce for our SSL implementation. But the only thing is that when we get the certificate from SSL.com, from DigiCert or any other third-party vendor, we just need to bind these certificates with our in-house developed application. So by that means our products will be available and will be available as a legitimate product, and the customer will be completely securely implement our in-house developed application for their different functionalities in their organization.